Arwakini machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. Jatend piny William Ruto wacho ni sirikal biro nono matut mibadhi masani okwako ng'iewo uniforms ne jopuonjre madonje skunde. Kolose kar jot jatend piny ebore Nairobi kawuono, Ruto nochiko jopuonjre ma ok nyal ng'iewo lep sikul mondo odhi gi meki mag skul mag junior secondary kendo ok owinjore riembgi e wach uniform. Osiemo skunde wi omenda mathoth ma gikawo kuom jonyuol mar ng'iewo uniforms.
And I did say yesterday that no child should be denied an opportunity to be in class. Why? Because we have provided the resources for them to be taught. For the first time in our schools, capitation that normally gets to schools a month or two after schools open, we made sure that capitation was available in school before our students reported in class. And we provided the highest amount, 44 billion. And therefore, if we have provided money for teaching, and we pay the teachers, and we have the classrooms, there is absolutely no reason why anybody would keep our children out of school. And we have said we are going to look into this uniform issue, because uniforms are beginning to be another source of corruption. Some schools charge as high as 38,000 for uniforms. And therefore, I have directed that there is no child who will be kept out of class because of uniform. Even if they have the uniform for the junior school, they can transition to secondary school with that uniform as they wait for the parents to organize themselves.